Hi, my name's Dan. I'm one of the physios for Hull KR. I'm just going to briefly talk you through what we keep in our kit bag on game day. Okay, so from a taping point of view, we use various sizes of Tiber Rip cohesive. So we use a 5cm, which is great for things like overwrap on ankles. Some players use it for wrists. We also use a 7.5cm, which is great for putting on things like sternum pads. Players also use this for wrists. It's great for elbows as well. In addition to that, we also use our 2.5cm, which is unbelievably good for fingers, thumbs, and then probably our most popular one is the Tiger Tan, so 3.8cm. So this is our basic. We use lots of this for ankles, for strapping shoulders. Okay. So in addition to the tape we use from Physique and Tiger tapes themselves, we've got a vast array of things as well, including things like nose plugs, gauze, like sticky sprays, which we use as an adhesive before we start taping. Various things as well, like eye wash for any eye injuries, smelling salts, obviously scissors, as well as things like cling wrap for wrapping on ice packs. With regards to PPE, so it's really important that we use our personal protective equipment. So we always order our stuff directly from Physique. So for example, are these nitrile gloves that we always use, great quality. And just like to say a great thank you to Physique for being our partner and supplying us with all our game day equipment.